Today we're at Erina Major Plant Workshop, checking out the gear and equipment that you would work on as a heavy vehicle / plant mechanic apprentice. My favourite thing about being a mechanic on council is the variety of all the gear that we work on. We work on anything from agricultural stuff to civil works and road transport stuff.
I basically love everything about this job, you know. A lot of people don't get this opportunity to do as much as we do. Basically, you will get dirty. It's a very dirty job, get a lot of grease on you, and yeah, there's definitely a big future in this career.
If you're ever thinking of becoming a plant / heavy vehicle mechanic, just get in, have a go. It's a top job, you work with heaps of nice people, and yeah, great career choice.
Yeah, I've enjoyed my TAFE, and my time here has been really good, you know. Every morning I'm keen to come to work, and you know, I've been enjoying it ever since I started.